How many inventions has nature come up with? Welcome to My Success Nature, where we are exploring the leadership and success principles inspired by nature. Discover the power of the 3-minute exercise in this video. When I watch the geckos climbing the wall and the ceiling, I'm fascinated. Or watching how the bats fly in the dark by navigating through sound waves. Or thinking of how can I incorporate the lotus leaf effect into my clothes and into my shoes. That would be amazing. So you see, nature has come up with so many inventions and inspired countless of inventions we use in our day-to-day life. Like for example an airplane, which is certainly inspired by the birds around. Many companies observe nature's invention and take inspiration from nature for their new products. Modeling nature in our products is called biomimicry. Recently, even biomimicry leadership has become more popular. When I watch the horses communicating with each other and see how they respond to change or how effectively they solve conflict without words, I am fascinated. As leaders, we don't need to reinvent the wheel. Sometimes we just need to take inspiration from nature. Now comes your 3-minute exercise. When you're going for a walk today, observe the trees, the plants, the birds and all the other animals and see what ideas you can absorb or adopt from nature. Share it in the comments. What would you like to be able to incorporate into your daily life learning from nature? So that's it for today. If you like our new series, please share it, tell us in the comments about it, and I see you again soon. Bye bye.